Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Megan Mongello.
And I'm Dwayne Pullman. A letter sent home to parents about proper appearance for an upcoming concert is now sparking outrage.
Some parents say the letter is targeting African-American students and their hairstyles. Brad Underwood spoke to a parent tonight about those concerns.
Days before the Pleasant Run Middle School winter concert, parents of kids in the choir got this letter. It calls for young men to see a barber and young ladies to see a cosmetologist the night before the show. It also bans specific hairstyles like mohawks and large afros, calling the styles outlandish and demanding conservative hairstyles for the show.
Them sending home something like this is sending a message that it's not okay for us to show up in our natural state.
Marlicia Robinson's daughter is in the choir.
My daughter wears an afro to school on a regular basis as her regular hairstyle, and she has a lot of hair, so it's going to be large. That's just what her hair does. That's what our hair does as black people.
The letter says the dress and grooming code will be strictly enforced, and students who don't comply will forfeit their grade.
I think that it was his first year. He's a black teacher, and I just think he didn't want to rock the boat.
In response to the letter, the Northwest School District made a Facebook post. It says the district found out about the letter this weekend and reads in part, "This message was not approved by PRMS administration and does not reflect our views at all. PRMS apologizes for the letter. We will address the issue on Monday."
I think they should really address the climate at this school and have some in-depth conversations around cultural diversity, and there's no reason why this teacher should have felt comfortable sending that home.
The school says new guidelines about the concert will be sent home on Monday. In COLERAIN Township, Brad Underwood, Local 12 News.
The concert is scheduled for this Thursday.